In testing times, it's important to know who you can trust.
The toughest restrictions Australia has ever had.
The AFL season...
A new type of coronavirus from China is spreading rapidly around the world. A dangerous virus makes everybody nervous. While scientists are working on a vaccine, doctors remind us that SARS and influenza are now less dangerous and the chance to catch it is much higher. What you need to eat to protect yourself from dangerous viruses. We are going to talk about it today. We have compiled for you the top recipes that will help in protecting your immunity from this dangerous virus. Consider cooking a wonderful antivirus salad from radish, apple, carrots, celery, and with an interesting dressing. First, cut all the vegetables. To prepare the dressing, we use 1 spoon of honey, olive oil, lemon, grated ginger, a few leaves of thyme, and salt to the taste. Mix all of this. The main thing is to dissolve honey. Next, season our salad and leave for a while. Salad is ready. Scientists from several countries are struggling to create a vaccine against the new scourge. However, until a cure is found, people are advised to follow preventative measures and strengthen their immunity. It's not necessary to immediately run to the chemist's. Some simple drinks can strengthen the body's protective functions. A real vitamin bomb for the body will be a rosehip broth. Its berries contain a massive ascorbic acid and compounds that will help quickly strengthen the immune system. To prepare, first tear off the stalks from the wild rose and pour the berries with cold water. Pour the washed berries in a thermos and pour boiling water. Tightly close and let it brew for a couple of hours, or better, all night. This wonderful recipe will also help you prepare a surprisingly healthy dish to fight against the virus. It includes raisins, walnuts, dried apricots, and honey. All ingredients must be washed with boiling water and drying water. We grind everything in a blender, but to small cubes and not to a pure state. Also in this recipe, you can use prunes and other nuts and dried fruits. Nuts and grains contain valuable nutrients such as vitamin E, zinc, selenium, and copper. They protect the immune system if it is weakened. Copper is involved in the synthesis of the most important proteins and enzymes, and contributes to the saturation of the body cells with oxygen. The functionality of red blood cells and white blood cells directly depends on the level of copper in the body. Take care of yourself and eat the right foods.
www.fooddrinkmagazine.com and the YouTube channel are working day and night to provide you with all about your food and drink curiosities from around the world. We would like your help to further expand our food and beverage portfolio. Wherever you are in the world, send your food and beverage experiences to admin@fooddrinkmagazine.com in a video or article format. Let the introduce your country, region, or business, your food and drink traditions to all over the world. Thank you in advance for your contribution. Please visit our website at www.fooddrinkmagazine.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy our videos.